see how fast Daisy can run. So Colton's going to take him up there, drop him off, and race back. Ready? He is. Daisy, you're a fast girl. So, were you gaining on her?
No, she was losing me. I got her, and then she just started speeding up, and I lost her.
Daisy, you are fast.
So heavy!
Only the S10 can outrun her.
Yeah.